Hi everyone, it's Doug from Bjorn Territory, and in this video I'm going to show you how I painted my Zargheists. So my usual 3-foot fabulous battle ready standard. Catch you in a bit. Okay, starting with the Zargheists, I've done a base coat in white, quite a light one. And I'll start with the wings. I'm going to use Gilliman Flesh for the bottom part of the wing. I'll do that on the inside and the outside of the wings. And then I also do around the crotch area on the outside edge. Working quite quickly, I then use black contrast and again with Gilliman Flesh for that blend. So continue with black Templar for all the talons, the fur, the bottom half of the fur. And the top half of the pine with the spikes and the wings. And then also the bottom half of the legs need to be black as well. For the top of the fur, I'm just using a watered down corn red, just to blend in with the back of the bottom. Next bit, just come in with Nuln oil and go around all the crevices and muscles. It's going to take some time. And the face as well. Using Raglan Flesh, I'm just going to wash on the wings. Whilst the washes are drying, I'm just going to come in with Sterling Mud on the base. For the Zargheists, now it's dry. I'm just coming in with a dry brush of Screaming Skull. Almost finished. Sterling Mud's dried, put on a tuft, edged it, and then a bit of Nuln oil in the teeth, just just to make it stand out a bit. And then there we go, the Zargheist. Hope you like this one. Quite cool. There's a couple of things I need to tidy up. There you go, the Zargheist. Hope you enjoyed this one. Something a bit different. Cool little group of models, and a couple of different painting techniques that I hope you enjoyed. Cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon. Bye.